Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix LocalSend when it's not working on your device. If the app won't open, can't send files, or isn't working as expected, there are several simple troubleshooting steps you can try. So let's get started. First, make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi or local network. LocalSend transfers files over your local network, so if the devices are connected to different networks, the app won't be able to communicate properly. Yeah, this is one of the most common causes of the issue. Next, close LocalSend completely on all of your devices and then open it again. If that doesn't help, restart your computer or phone to clear temporary system or network problems that may be preventing the app from working correctly. If you're using Windows, check your Windows firewall or antivirus software and make sure LocalSend is allowed to communicate on your local network. I mean, if network access is blocked, LocalSend may not be able to discover devices or transfer files successfully. Another good solution is to update LocalSend to the latest version on every device you're using. Running different or outdated versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues during file transfers. If the problem continues, uninstall LocalSend and install the latest version from the official website or official app store. A clean installation can replace missing or corrupted files and restore the application's default configuration. Finally, test the connection by sending a small file between your devices. If the transfer completes successfully, the issue has been resolved and LocalSend should now work normally. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix LocalSend when it's not working. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.